Looking for a travel set that can keep everything organized for an entire weekend? This 3-piece set from Stuery has you covered. I love having each of these 3 pieces individually. They make the perfect set. The small toiletries bag is perfect for makeup, medicine, other small items. The crossbody is perfect for keeping your phone, wallet, and other essentials close by, which is great especially when you're in an airport. The large weekender bag has plenty of room without feeling overly bulky. You can fit a ton of stuff in this bag, and it even meets most airline carry-on requirements, so it's great for that next getaway or even to use for the gym, camping, or business. My favorite feature is this waterproof compartment to keep things like wet clothes and dirty shoes away from your clean items. This bag is comfortable to carry, has tons of pockets and organization, even a padded laptop sleeve. This stylish and versatile travel set checks all of my travel boxes, and that's my point of view.